Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In next few lectures, I am going to demonstrate very beautiful pictures, stories of developmental milestone at different age groups. Very easy to remember, very helpful for your exams. Keep remember me in your kind prayers and don't forget to subscribe and share to help others. So today the picture story of 1-year-old Ahmad with mother at home. Ahmad is 1-year-old male child. ठीक है. Right, multiple things you will see here, but I will underline the milestone. Only remember that milestone, and this is a picture story of 1-year-old male. Ahmad is playing at floor with books at home with mother. First of all, you will remember here the multiple milestone. He can turn pages of books. Turn pages of books at 1 years of age. Tries to build tower of 2 cubes because he is playing at floor, and the multiple things he can do this time at the age of 1 year. Turn pages of books, tries to build tower of 2 cubes, release cubes into groups after demonstration, plus looks for hidden and fallen toys. This milestone is at 10 month, but I want to fit this milestone here, so I write it here. Looks for hidden and fallen toys, plus cars. With cars he can push and pulls the large wheel toys. Here you will remember all these milestone. The underlines are all milestone, easy to remember. Here when the child is playing, his mother is in kitchen, call him. Here to remember the milestone, knows and immediately turn to own name. When his mother called him, he turned his head, can localize sounds in a midline. Like his mother is in kitchen, he localized his mother's sound, and now he rises independently. Rises it independently is milestone. So he rises independently and start walking, holding onto furniture, takes several steps. Here you will remember that at the age of 1 year he start walking, holding on to furniture. Now his mother look at him and take him to kitchen by walking with holding his one hand. Here you will remember the milestone can walk with one hand hold. After this, his mother take him to kitchen, and here he saw some pellets at ground and he picks the pellet. Here you will remember he pick up pellets from ground. Here you will remember the milestone of pincer grip. That is actually at the age of 10 month, but you can remember here. He picked the pellets from ground and give them to mother. Here you will remember when he give the pellets to mother, here you will remember releases objects to other person on request or gesture, because that was the pellet and his mother asked him to give her, and he give to his mother. And after that, mama, dada and demand water. After that he demands some water, and he can say few words beside mama and dada at the age of 1 year. So he asks for water. Like he says, mama, give me water. Drink water from cup with little assistance. Now he drinks some water from cup with little assistance. These are milestones at the age of 1 year. When he drinks some water, he wet his clothes and mother changes his dressing. Now here to remember the milestone is while changing at the age of 1 year, he makes some postural adjustment to dressing. Postural adjustment, just postural adjustment to dressing. And after that, when his mother changes his clothes, his mother start playing with him and plays peta cake with mother at the age of 1 year. And after that, in the last, he says or he waves bye bye to his mother. So wave bye bye at the age of 1 year. So this picture story, whole picture story in your mind can recall, easy to recall the milestone at the age of 1 year. The only 1 to 2 milestone is, rest of all these is like speaks 1 year, first year, but in some places in Nelson written that first real word at the age of 1 year. So if mention in exam that few words other than mama dada, you can pick the MCQs of 1 year, and if first real word, then you can also pick the age group at the age of 12 months or 1 year. Egocentric symbolic play, pretend to drink few from cup, that is also at the age of 1 year. That's it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, then must share and don't forget to subscribe to help others. Thank you very much.